Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cloth seat trim, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.